828 Find Adventure here. I'm going to show you some seat covers for the cloth seats or the leather seats that come in the Toyota Tundra or any other vehicle. And these work great if you have let's just say you have kids and they're eating chicken fingers and getting their greasy fingers all over the place, and goldfish are getting crushed in the upholstery. It's great for that. It's great for after you work out. If you have you're all sweaty and you don't want to sit on your upholstery in your car, or you've got suntan lotion all over your legs and you don't want to sit on the leather in your car, because suntan lotion will cause the leather to just peel apart, or the pleather, or whatever they call it in these cars. So anyways, let me show you these seat covers and check them out and see what you think. Ooh, did somebody yak in my truck? It doesn't matter. It's just a seat cover. I can just wad it up and pull it right out. Just like that. Okay, so the first seat cover I'm going to show you is this one right here. It is called the, let me get the label here. It's called the SeatShield. I don't know if you can see that. Anyways, it's waterproof. This is the Ultra Sport model. These are washable. You can just throw them in the washing machine. If you get them all grimed up, or if somebody spills a chocolate shake on them. But check this out. So I'm doing this with one hand, by the way. It just goes over the headrest, as you can see. You can put it over the bolsters of the seat. And then you just lay it out like this. And that's it. So you can see here, it just covers the seat like that. Now this one is made for the cloth interior. This one will slide around on the leather interior. I will show you. So this one, it stays on the cloth. It doesn't slide around at all. It's perfect. And you can see here, there it is. Hi there. You see it? Just goes over the headrest. It has like a pocket for the headrest, so you just put it over and it hangs on, and it is much easier to put on with two hands. Anyways, I've been using these for years. Originally got them because after working out, being all sweaty and soaking wet, I didn't want to sit on the car's upholstery, and because it'll make it rot. And with the leather interior, if you have lotions or anything like that on your skin from being out in the sun or whatever, it can really do some damage. So remember that. And so this is the one, again, for the cloth interior. Works great. It's compact. I use it for all kinds of things. I put one of these, I'll have it folded up under the cooler in the back seat of the car if we're going on a long trip, to absorb all the condensation from the cooler. You can use it for just about everything. You can put it on the ground if you need to crawl into the car. The biggest use is basically, over the years has been after I've been working out, I'll use it to keep the sweat off the upholstery and to keep the kids' chicken fingers and goldfish from getting all smashed into the seats themselves. So I showed you the seat cover, put it on the bucket seats. So in the back seat of your car, it goes on the same way. So let's check that out. I'm doing this with one hand again. Again, on the back of these, as you can see, there's like a pocket sewn, and it will just, again, you just put it over the headrest like that. Put it over the little bolsters. It's pretty easy. This is a Tundra, and there you go. It keeps the water, if your kid's soaking wet, or even your animal, or, your dog or something is soaking wet from being in the lake, or muddy, or if your kid's got ice cream smeared all over his face and his clothes. This will keep it off your car seat. It's easy to put on. It's lightweight, folds up really small, and you can just throw it in the wash. So it's pretty easy to use. I wanted to share this with you because I think it's a great idea. They do come in, I believe this one that is made by SeatShield comes in a tan and a black. And again, these are for the cloth interior, and they do not slide around. They work really good. So now let's go check out the leather one, and the one that works well on the leather seats. So now let's go check out the one that they make for cars with leather seats, because if you use the other type, like I just showed you, they will slide around, and that'll be real irritating driving around, depending on how spirited of a driver you are. So let's go check out this one. Okay, and these come in got a multitude of colors as well. This one is black, has kind of a gray, I think they call that a piping around it, stitched around it. And it has on the bottom, you can see it has these little rubber, I don't know what you call it, kind of looks like a lizard skin or something. And this one's made of a black, feels like a neoprene. And the name, this one is made by Irwin Gear. So let's see this one installed in the bucket seat, and I'll show you what I mean by the fact that it doesn't slide around. So again, this one has a pocket sewn on the top. If you can see this right here. And this one, it just goes over the headrest. Let's do that again. I'm doing this one-handed, so it's a little difficult. There you go. Woo, getting a little windy. Excuse the wind if it makes some noise. All right there. So you can see I just put that over the headrest. It lays down really nice like that. And let me show you when I get in by what I mean by it doesn't slide around, because of those little grippies. So again, you can see they grip really good, and you will not slide around. Some seat covers do, but this one's got some really good grips on it. And again, these are great for, you know, if you want to keep the sweat from deteriorating your interior, or if you're, you know, going out in the mud and getting all muddy, or if you have a pet that gets muddy, or you take to the lake and has wet feet, wet paws, you know, these work great for that. And you know, like I said, I got into using these back when I was, you know, working out every day, or like I still do, work out every day, and you're all sweaty, and you don't want to mess up your interior of your car. And, you know, and having a young kid that eats chicken fingers all the time, and goldfish and whatever else, and getting that all smashed into the leather. Because, you know, they perforate it like that, and everything can get just mashed down into those little holes. There it is in the front seat. Fits great, doesn't slide around. It's very lightweight. And again, you can use these for, you know, to protect your car if you're loading a bunch of stuff in it. Let me show you here on the back seat how it'll go. Again, it has this pocket that goes over the headrest. We'll just put that over the headrest like that. Flare it out. You know, and you know, if you're going to pick up some pizzas, these work great for that too. I use it a lot. I'll just set the pizza boxes on top of it. That keeps any pepperoni or whatever from getting mashed into stuff that might be falling out of the box. But there you go. So you can use these in the front or back seat. And they work great. I mean, you know, I've used these for years. I swear I've probably used these 15 years. We just recently got this one for the leather interior in this car, and you know, I can't be more complimentary of these. And they're inexpensive, and they really save you, you know, or should I say save your car from getting damaged from all kinds of stuff that you could put in the back. You know, you could even set some muddy shoes on this. These wash off really easy. So, you know, check these out. I just wanted to share this with you. It's just a way to protect the interior of your car, and you know, just really handy things. So there you go. Well, again, I hope you liked the video. I just wanted to share those with you. That's what I use to protect the interior in my car and my truck. I use these in the front and back seat. I use these for hauling stuff. I mean, they have many uses. You know, if you're gonna go sit in the dirt somewhere, you can just put it on the ground. You can always take it home and wash it. So anyhow, I hope you liked it. You know, I will put some links under the video in the description. You can check them out, do some research, and see what you can find. There is a million different seat covers you can get for your vehicle, but I have used these two here for quite a while, and they work great. Sorry about that. Well, anyways, I just wanted to share these with you. They work great for me. I've used them for decades. You know, I will put some links under the video in the description, so if you want to check them out or do some research, there's tons of different types of seat covers, but I wanted to show you these because I have used them for decades. So anyways, if you would, please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe. That really helps the channel grow, and I will see you next time. More videos coming. See ya.